Hello friends, myself Manish. Today we start a new chapter, Quadratic Equation. At first, I give the brief introduction about the quadratic equation. Now we have to understand what is the quadratic equation. Let us consider an expression ax square plus bx plus c. It is a quadratic expression. Why it is called a quadratic expression? Because in this expression, the variable x has the highest power 2. And this 2 determines the power of the whole expression. And why it is called an expression? Because it contains the 3 terms and 1 variable x. All these terms contains with variable x of different powers as a combine, it forms as an expression. Now our today's discussion topic is the quadratic equation. So there is a relation between the quadratic equation with the quadratic expression. If we apply any of the mathematical conditions on a quadratic expression like as ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, 5 or anything, then it is called a quadratic equation. Generally, equation means as an equal to expression, or there what is the right in the book. Now from this equation we have to solve and find out the value of x, but before that we have to understand what is the meaning of that solution. Solution means the real value of x for which the equation satisfies. Now the satisfies means, let us take an equation x square minus 3x plus 2 equals to 0. If we compare with the general equation ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, then our coefficient of x square, that is a equals to 1, coefficient of x b equals to minus 3, and the constant term c equals to plus 2. Here x is the variable. Here x is the variable. Let x equals to 1. Then LHS x square minus 3x plus 2. If we put the value of the x equals to 1, then 1 square minus 3 into 1 plus 2, then 1 minus 3 plus 2 equals to 0. That means, so for this particular value of x, left hand side is equals to the right hand side. That is, x equals to 1 is the solution or the root of this quadratic equation. Now, there is another value of x for this equation satisfied. So, for finding the second value of x, we have to solve the equation. Generally, there are 3 methods to solve the quadratic equation. They are Sridhar ACHARYA'S method, factorization method, transformation method, and these 3 methods are the way to solve the quadratic equation. Now, today we derive the Sridhar ACHARYA'S formula by using the factorization. The derivation of the quadratic formula, the equation is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Now, dividing a on the both side, x square plus b by a x plus c by a equals to 0. Now, if we shift the constant term on the right hand side, then x square plus b by a into x equals to minus c by a. By adding b by 2a whole square on the both sides, then on the left hand side, x square plus b by a into x plus b by 2a whole square equals to minus c by a plus b by 2a whole square. On the left hand side, it is the formula of our a plus b whole square. So x plus b by 2a whole square on the left hand side, and in the right hand side, minus 3 by a plus b by 4a square. which is equals to the b square minus 4ac by 4a square. Next line, x plus b by 2a equals to plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by 4a square, which is equals to the plus minus root under b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So the given the solution is x equals to minus b by 2a plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a equals to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is our required solution. Thank you.